is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily borrow money from Credit Karma. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily get a credit or borrow money from Credit Karma. Just a disclaimer before we proceed to the video is that borrowing money from Credit Karma is only eligible for those people who are residing in the US. So if you are accessing the creditkarma.com website on your mobile phone the same as I do, just click on this three-line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Personal Loans. And from here, a list of loans will pop up depending on the type of loan that you're going to need. There are personal loans, debt consolidation loans, same-day loans, emergency loans, major purchase loans, and a lot more. Just choose the loan that suits your needs. So from here, we're just going to choose personal loans. If you scroll down, you can see different offers from here. You can see offers from Upstart, Upgrade, SoFi, Genius Bank, and more. So if you're still undecisive of what loan you're going to get, just click on Find a Loan. From here, they're going to ask you to log in to an Intuit Credit Karma account. Just log in, but if you still don't have an account, you can easily create an account by clicking on this link, Create an Account. From here, just fill in all the necessary details, then click on Sign Up. Then just choose the offer that you can see from here, say for example this. And from there, just choose the credit that you want to take from Credit Karma. Just a reminder that the approval of your loan and all the other following details will be up to Credit Karma after they review your personal details and all the necessary information about you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!